Hello everyone, this is my review of Just the Cheese Minis, grilled cheese crisps. These cheese crisps perfectly capture the rich, grilled cheese taste in a crunchy snack form. You can really taste the real cheese, which makes it feel more satisfying than many other cheese chip alternatives. Another big plus, the nutrition profile. These are high in protein and low in carbs, making them a wise choice if you're watching your macros or want a snack that won't derail your day. For me, that was a real bonus. What I appreciate too is the texture. They're oven baked and have a crisp, satisfying crunch without being overly complicated or brittle. That makes them easy to snack on casually or take on the go. If I'm being honest, a few things to keep in mind, because the flavor is bold. If you prefer ultra-mild snacks, you might find these a little more intense on the cheese side. And while the portion size is decent, if you're really hungry, you'll want to pair them with something else to feel more full. Overall, if you're looking for a flavorful, crunchy snack that checks the boxes for taste and smarter nutrition, give these a try. I highly recommend them, and I hope this review helps.